Ever heard someone say, "Stop cracking your knuckles, you'll get arthritis"? But is that actually true, or just an old myth? Here's the science. When you crack your knuckles, that sound isn't your bones grinding. It's actually tiny gas bubbles popping inside the joint fluid. Researchers have studied this for years, and guess what? There's no evidence that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. The worst it might do is cause some swelling or weaken your grip if you do it constantly, but arthritis? Nope. So, the next time someone tells you to stop, you can tell them it's just a myth.